Here's a cold start video for those interested. As you'll see, no temperature in it right now. Water temperature is at 0, oil pressure is down. Just turn the key and let's fire it up. Fires right up every time. It's unbelievable how nice this thing starts. As you see, idling beautifully. RPMs low, right where you'd hope to see them.